Hey everyone, we're diving into the world of network by straight through cable. First things first, let's gather our materials. We will need internet cable, RJ45 connectors, crimping tool, wire stripper, scissor, battery, and network cable tester. Now we have the materials, so let's start. Let's start by stripping the outer insulation of the internet cable. Use a wire stripper to carefully remove about an inch of the outer covering. Expose the twisted pairs inside. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the inner wires. Next, arrange the wires in the correct order according to the wiring standard you are following. Now, carefully insert the arranged wires into the RJ45 connector, ensuring they reach all the way to the end. Double check the order to prevent any mistakes. Take your crimping tool and position the connector in the appropriate slot. Apply firm pressure to crimp the connector onto the cable. You should hear a satisfying clicking indicating that it's properly secured. Repeat the process of the end of the cable. There you have it. Our RJ45 cable is ready. But before we celebrate a crucial test of cable, ensure it's working correctly. Connect both ends to devices and perform a connectivity test or use a cable tester if available. And there you have it, guys. Both ends of our RJ45 cable are now properly terminated and ready for use. Thanks for following.